Welcome to MarineMax, Minnesota. My name is Max Gavin, and today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful 2022 Aviara AV36. It's here at the MarineMax Rogers location, and it will be going down to the MarineMax Excelsior location to be on the water. Now, first thing I want to point out, we're in the back of the boat. The exterior really ties into this interior very, very well. I'll point out this beautiful swim platform that is very spacious. It does have an automated swim platform that does drop down into the water. It's controlled by this little keypad over here. Very user-friendly. Now on this AV36, we have this very unique transom. Okay? All of these seats flip up like so here. And the seats back here on a pedestal flip up like so. Now this is what we refer to it as the stadium style seating. You can have people laying out or sitting here and people sitting here, all facing after the boat towards the transom. Now you can have people that are, anchored, lounging, just hanging out. It's a great utilization of this space back here to fit a lot of people back here. You have stainless steel cup holders off to the left over there, so you can have your drinks over there. A couple off to your right. You have a transom stereo remote back here, so you can control your audio system. Okay, there's a nice starboard side walk-through. Sea deck lined into the boat and throughout the entire interior, so it's beautifully done. 3 stainless steel cup holders here. You have this beautiful galley space with all of this countertop space, which is great to have hors d'oeuvres, to make some sandwiches. Great space to have here. Now, you have 2 refrigerators down below, so dual refrigerators. As we lift up both of these here, you're gonna notice that you can have some ice in this tray over here. You have an electric grill off to this left here side. We open up the big countertop, and you'll see you have a nice big sink here, dedicated wine holders off to the right there. You can hold 3 wine bottles if you so choose to. Stainless steel sink head, just very nicely done. You're gonna have a nice gas shock that's assisting too, so it's not just gonna fall back down on you. It'll close back up. Obviously this boat's a little dirty at this very moment. It just came in, and we wanted to make sure that we showed everybody this beautiful boat. Now looking at this nice L-shaped seating here, plenty of space. This cushioning is very plush. It feels amazing. Here in Minnesota, it's 79 degrees today, and this vinyl is not getting hot, which is great. So it's not going to get very hot. You're going to feel very cool, which is great. Now lifting up these seats, the covers are in here at the moment, but you'll notice they're on hinges with these little gas-assisted struts, which is really cool. Seats are going to stay up, not fall back down. Lots of storage space as well. Close those back up. You don't hear any creaks in the hinges as well. It feels very robust. Again, all of this sea deck, beautifully done. That more modern theme with the square design ties into the tower itself very nicely. These nice tower speakers up on top. You have 2 of them, 1 on each side, giving you more sound throughout the cabin and throughout the actual transom of the boat. Looking up at this tower, there are these RGB lights around the entire tower here, and you can change to any color you want. Maybe it's green, pink, blue, whatever it is, you can change it along with the whole interior color as well. So you can personalize it when you're on the water, and kind of get the feel that you're looking for. Okay? Move into the passenger seat. You have a nice flip-up bolster for the passenger. And as we move forward, we'll go up into the bow, come back, go underneath down here into the cabin, and then we'll finish off at the helm, okay? You have stainless steel cup holders with grab handles here, grab handle up here, so if your passenger is standing up, they can grab onto something nice and firm. As we walk up into the bow, very spacious walkway here, doesn't feel cramped. And you move up into the bow, and you have a lot of space, and it's very deep. And because of that, your kids are gonna feel very safe up here. As a parent, you might feel it a lot safer that your kids are up here because of this bow is so deep. But great entertainment spot as well. It can fit a lot of people up here. Now there are stainless steel cup holders. There's 4 on each side, 8 total. You have USB outlets up here to stay connected to your phone. Also moving up to the anchor locker here. You see how nice gas assisted strut to open up that hatch. Down in this anchor locker here is where your windlass stainless steel anchor is. Your controls are over here. Makes it super easy to wind that anchor down and wind it right back up. As we move back here, There's one thing I want to point out about this door that I think is great, what they did. As you open this door on the AV36 and you go to open it all the way, that magnet comes into play. So it's got a nice magnet on the wall there, so your door's not going to close back on you. It stays open, feels secure. It's a great touch. All this rubber gasketing around here, keep the water out, brilliant. Looks great. Nice three steps down, C deck. Again with that square design, looks very modern. You have a bathroom right here as we open this up here. Toilet, sink, everything you need to have a great day on the water. Now looking behind me here, you have this big V-berth here, and this does convert so you have more space in here. But you have a nice TV here, so you have all this entertainment space down here in a way to, to get yourself out of the sun. If you have kids, young kids, you get them down below if you're going to spend 4 or 5 hours in the water a day. It's a great way to get kids out of the sun. Great space for older adults to get out of the sun. I know that's always a big thing as well. As we close this back up, we move to the helm. And the helm seat, my gosh, take a look. 2 flip-up bolsters, fantastic vinyl, well appointed, very plush, feels really nice. Again, you have this nice mocha tan interior throughout the entire boat, which ties in great to the actual exterior. And then looking at your helm, you have a nice, beautifully leather-wrapped steering wheel. The design of the Aviara steering wheel is very unique and very cool. You have your 3 screens here, your Garmin, which are going to be all your charts up in the middle here. Off to your right will be all of your functions for the actual engine, so you can switch between engine information. And off to your left here, your screen is going to control all of your lighting. You can open up your engine hatch. A lot more information with the actual boat itself that you can actually adjust and change from lighting to heaters, that sort of thing. Down below, which is very unique, those are cooled cup holders. Keep your drink nice and cool throughout a nice hot day. And obviously, you have your Ilmor engines with your Ilmor throttles here, your joystick control, your DRS, dynamic running surface here with your automatic trim tabs to actually keep this boat nice and level on a choppy day, okay? Guys, this is the Aviara AV36 to 2022 model. It is available and it's here at the MarineMax Rogers location, and we'll be going down to the MarineMax Excelsior location to be on the water. If you guys are interested at all, give us a shout, give us a call. Feel free to stop on in. We're happy to answer any questions that you do have and walk you through this beautiful boat.